Okay, we now learn how to use the FTP service, save the program and load the program. How to we can use the choose the menu and choose the faction and press the end and choose the save and load. And here we use the FTP save, and here use FTP save and FTP load and FTP file list. You can use the file list first. You can see press the end. Here you can see the two program, right? This is a controller. This is a Kawasaki controller. How to find this? Okay, we use this one. PC. The program is here. We open the PC and choose the disk C. Here, home. This one is our set the program here. Here, right? Okay, we now learn how to load it. We first let the we make the program in the computer. Then we have this program, right? And we use this one and save here. Now we can see the controller and the list. We can see the test 1 001, right? Yeah, that's the 001, right? Then we choose the back. Choose R. Then we choose the load, FTP load, in here. And 5, we choose the 5. And we choose the test 001. Choose here. And please, here is nothing. All data or spatial data. You can choose the end. Please choose the yes. Program, right? The program name is A test 1. We find it. Okay. Then we open the program. Choose here. Directly here. You can see the A test 1, right? We open it. This one is we learn how to use the FTP servers. Load program from computer. Okay. Now we next learn how to save the program from controller to PC. Okay, we learn now how to let the program from controller to computer. Okay, we first delete this program. We just load it, right? We delete. Okay, now we cancel this program. Cancel, reject. Okay, we play the end, choose yes. Then choose the R and choose the menu, and use the other faction. Choose the save and load and choose the FTP And here we choose the one FTP, right? Here file name you can choose the file. Here is you can click here. We choose the A save. Okay, save. Save 00. Okay. We choose this. Press the end. We use this program. Use the program name, and here we choose here. You can save the all data. Press the end. If you want only save the program, here choose here. Choose the save data, and choose the program, right? Here, and spreadsheet from file one. We choose he can save the 1 times file program. We choose the program here. Program. We choose the also test. Okay, choose here. Then press the end. Press the end. Choose the yes. Okay, program is tested. Okay, we can see the L A 700. If you want to save all data, choose here. Back. Save. We choose the back. Back. You choose the anything program. You choose the A0E01. We choose the all data. The name is A0101. Okay, press the end. Press the end. Here choose all data, right? We press the end. Press the end. Choose the yes. Here we will save the controller all data. Save all data. You can see here is done, finished. We only saved here. If you can see this one first, we go here. A save 0. We just save the only test program. You can see it. Here is only program, right? We just only this program. You can see the all data. All data is A0101, right? Open it. Here is the robot data, and here anything we will save it. Okay. And all program will save it. Okay, this one we only learn how to later use the FTP servers, save and load the program. Okay, from controller to PC to computer.